far? Sorry I didn't give you guys an intro. Welcome back again to my channel. You guys will see that this is my chinchin video. Okay, yes, I didn't show you guys the chinchin of how I started this chinchin from scratch, okay, but I have a video on that. You want to know how I started, how to make full chinchin, okay? I have a besides full chinchin, you want to know how to make chinchin, okay? I have a full video on that on my channel. I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box, okay? You guys can also go and check that video out. It's very helpful to help you guys on how to make chinchin. This is just the process. I already made the chinchin off camera, so I'm happy how to do the cutting. You guys can see. So I'm going to show you guys everything today. So meanwhile, as I watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't come and watch and go. Just subscribe. You understand? I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. So guys, this in between the video. Okay, I said to just take a break. Okay, yes. The chinchin is still remaining like the dough is still remaining as if at least 2 badges. But I said me just take a break. Okay, I'm having this special fried rice for my special vlog. That is Chicken Republic. Yes. Let me just eat a bit quickly before. I don't know why, but I don't like using. If I just buy the food and come back, I don't like using this their rubber spoon. This one, I don't know what to call me. This one, I need to put now. Oh, do I want add toothpick? My dear, no be small thing. You don't have toothpick. I think I'll start doing mukbang on this channel, but I just feel like it's somehow weird. How can you be eating and recording yourself? But I'll just try doing it. You understand? Even if it's 2 or 3 times, or I don't know. If I do it and I feel like it's good, I can just continue doing it. Because I feel it's weird eating and recording yourself. You get that kind of thing. But sure, I think I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'll sit around and do it, okay? Mukbang. Maybe I'll just I'll buy Chicken Republic fried rice. I'll cook my jollof rice one side. I'm doing egusi, eating them together. I'm be eating the spiciest challenge, limit hot challenge. Many things, you understand that kind of thing. So guys, that's just it. I'm going to catch up with you guys later, okay? Let me just complete my work. So guys, this is the final section. See, let me explain. I don't know, when I was cutting the chinchin, I don't know, some parts now got mixed up together. So when they got mixed up together, you understand, after I now fried it, when I started using how to break it, that's the reason you can see all these burnt white holes here. You understand? That's just it. If not, the chinchin was just good. Okay, but look at this one now. Focus now. And look at this one now. You can see this one, but yes, this one is looking very perfect. This chinchin was just so good, guys. Honestly, this is just our Christmas preparation, our Christmas chinchin. I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to catch up with you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.